Welcome back everyone. How you guys doing on this beautiful morning? Guys, I'm seeing some progress with my llama beans. These are store-bought llama beans and purchased them because I wanted to grow them just to get some ideas that if we can actually grow llama beans from seeds, from store-bought seeds. Last year I planted some and they grew lovely, but I wasn't able to get not even one from them. So this year I'm trying again, and so far we see some flowers coming so far. Another thing I want to show you guys, sometimes if you have the time, yes, it might be easier said than done, but these are things you got to come and look for in your garden. So you could stop the production from happening. Because yes, these are eggs right here. And if you allow these eggs, what they're gonna do, they're gonna hatch and they're gonna, eat up the leaf and do what they gonna have to do. Yes, sometimes we need them, but sometimes we can't save all because sometimes they just overpower our plant. But these are things you want to sort under the bottom of the leaf. Just come turn the bottom of the leaf them and you're going to see eggs, and if you want to get rid of them, you can just pick off the leaf. It's important, guys, because they will hatch and they will tear your plants them up. So yes, it's important to sort, guys. So yes, we're seeing progress with our llama beans and we're grateful. So let's go over here and look on some other plants. No, let's see these plants first. On the other side of the llama beans right here, guys, as you can see, they're pushing a lot of flowers. On the other side of them, we have some corn growing right with them. You can grow corn with them. Why? Because corn grows up tall, and sometimes the beans gonna run on the corn. But guess what? In very soon, these corn gonna be start. As we can see here, the corn already start pushing out corn. So very soon, these gonna be ready to harvest. This look like it's gonna push out two corn. It have one there, and it look have one getting ready to come up in the shoot. So this one look like it's gonna have two. But so far, guys, they're looking lovely and healthy, and they all growing in clay soil. So let's go over here now and see my turmeric and how they're doing.